In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a quiz in Jotform, step by step, using one of their ready-made templates. By the end, you'll have a fully functioning quiz that you can share with your audience, students, or team. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. If you already have an account, you can log in as usual. If not, you'll want to sign up for a free account so you can save and share your quiz later. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main Jotform dashboard where all your forms and projects are managed. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Create or Create Form. This is usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point anytime you want to build something new in Jotform, whether it's a simple contact form or in this case a quiz. After clicking Create, Jotform will give you a few choices for how you'd like to build your form. Today, we're focusing on using a template, but first choose the option labeled Form. Clicking Form tells Jotform that you want to create a standard form layout, which works perfectly for quizzes. Next, you'll see an option that says Use Template. Click on that. Templates are pre-built forms designed for specific purposes, so they save you a lot of time. Instead of starting from a blank page and adding every question and design element yourself, you can start from something that's already structured, like a quiz, and then adjust it to fit your needs. Once you're in the template gallery, go to the search bar and type in quiz, press enter, and Jotform will filter the templates to show you quiz-style forms. You'll see a variety of designs ranging from simple multiple-choice quizzes to more detailed assessment-style forms. Take a moment to scroll through and look at the previews. You can click on a template to see more details and a live preview of how it looks and behaves. When you find a template that looks close to what you want, select it and click Use Template. This will copy that template into your account and open it in the form builder. Think of this as your starting point. Even if it's not perfect, choose one that has a similar structure or layout to what you're imagining, because you'll be able to change almost everything. Now you're in the customization stage, and this is where your quiz really becomes your own. You can edit the title and description of the quiz so it matches your topic. Click on any question to rewrite the text, adjust the answer options, or change the question type. For example, you can switch a short text question to multiple choice, or add images if your quiz is more visual. On the design side, you can update colors, fonts, and the overall style to match your brand or classroom theme. You can also rearrange questions by dragging and dropping them into a new order and remove any fields you don't need from the template. When you're happy with everything, make sure to save your changes. From there, you're ready to publish and share your quiz link with participants.